Hello everyone, welcome back to another problem tutorial from our Chapter 4 series for Financial Management course, BUS 223. In this video, we're going to be looking at problem number 15, so let's read it together. It says, A, if a firm's inventory level of 10,000 represents 30 days sales, what is the annual cost of goods sold? Alright, so the first thing we want to do, the question is telling us that the company is maintaining an inventory level of 10,000, and that represents their sales, their average sales for a 30-day period. Okay, so from this information, we need to figure out what is the annual cost of goods sold. All right, so the way we're going to do this, we're going to take this inventory level, so let's call this A, annual cost of goods sold, and that's going to equal, we'll take this 10,000 monthly sales level, and from there we will try to figure out how much they typically sell in one day, right? So we can put it this way, 10,000, which is sales of 30 days, and we'll divide it by 30 to find the daily sales. Okay, and then to find the annual, we'll multiply by the number of days in 1 year, which is 365 days. Okay, so now we'll turn to our calculators and divide 10,000 by 30. That gives me 333.33 multiplied by 365. Multiply that, 365, and I get 121, 666.667. So you can round this up to 121, $667. Okay, so that's the annual cost of goods sold. All right, and then for part B, what is the inventory turnover ratio? Okay, now for the inventory turnover, let's quickly remind ourselves by the of the formula for inventory turnover. Inventory turnover ratio equals cost of goods sold divided by inventory at start of the year. Okay, and now we have both of these figures, so we can simply find the inventory turnover ratio. We have the cost of goods sold, the annual cost of goods sold, and we do, going back to the question, we do have the inventory at the start of the year, which is the $10,000, right? So that will be $121,667 divided by 10,000. Okay, again, use your calculator. 121,667 divided by $10,000, and we get 12.167. So we'll just round it up to 12.17. Okay, so the company's inventory turnover ratio is 12.17 times. All right, that's it for this problem. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I hope that you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please drop them down in the comments. And until I see you in the next problem tutorial. Keep on learning, and I wish you the best of luck.